evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the most amazing news for our viewers. Some animals live in such remote and inaccessible regions of the globe that it is nearly impossible to study them in their natural habitats. Beaked whales, of which 24 species have been found so far, are among them. They live far from land and deep oceanic waters where they search for food at depth of 500 meters and more. The record holder for the deepest dive by a mammal is a curious beaked whale, which in 2014 was measured to dive at least 2,992 meters. A beaked whale also holds the mammalian record for the longest dive, 222 minutes. Now the world gets a new and surprising insight into the world of distance beaked whales through a scientific study of a population of Bayer's beaked whales. The population has unexpectedly been found near the coast and in shallower waters than previously observed. The study, led by whale biologist Olga Filatova and Ivan Fedutin from the University of Southern Denmark, forced and built, and it is published in the journal Animal Behavior. Filatova and Fedutin have many years of whale studies in the northern Pacific behind them. It was during an expedition to the Commander Islands in 2008 that they first saw a group of Bayer's beaked whales near the coast. We were there to look for killer whales and humpback whales, so we just noted that we had seen a group of Bayer's beaked whales and didn't do much about it. But we also saw them in the following years, and after 5 years we suspected that it was a stable community frequently visiting the same area. We saw them every year until 2020, when COVID-19 prevented us from going back to the Commander Islands, explains Olga Filatova, a whale expert and postdoc at the Department of Biology and SDU Climate Cluster, University of Southern Denmark. The studied population of Bayer's beaked whales came close to the coast within 4 kilometers of land, and they were observed in shallow water less than 300 meters. It is uncharacteristic for this species, says Olga Filatova, who also points out that the population likely has adapted to this particular habitat and thus deviates from the established perception that all beaked whales roam out at sea and in deep water. It means that you cannot expect all individuals within a specific species to behave the same way. This makes it difficult to plan species protection in this case. For example, you cannot plan based on the assumption that beaked whales only live far out in the deep sea. We have shown that they can also live in shallow and coastal waters. There may be other different habitats that we are not aware of yet, says Olga Filatova. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.